not really the right song to do a big finish on, but when the mood strikes, you go for it. 7 Spanish Angels. I've always considered this a Willie song, even though it's probably more a Ray Charles song, but who cares whose it is? It's a great song, and they're both great, so. The version I actually listen to all the time is both of them doing it, which I think the original recording was. I'm not sure who actually wrote the song. But, okay, so what do we got? We got 3 chords. We got your D, open, open, open. You got your A, 1, open, 1, and your G, or the A we're going to do 1, open, 1, and we're going to do 4, 4, 4. And then your G we're going to do 3, 3, 3. That's it. 3 chords. Best songs are 3 chords, right? Actually, no, the best songs are 2 chords. Even easier. Oh, yeah. So, let's just get right into it. First line. That's the first line. Second line, you're in the A now. You can reach up to your third. And then you slide up to your 4-4-A. Back to your D with an add 2. Third line. End up in your G. Fourth line. Okay, I know I'm not really calling anything out on this one. It's just I'm gonna do it slow for you just to watch it, right? It's all straight strumming. There's no special picking you gotta do, so just don't bother watching the picking hand. Just watch the fingering hand. Sorry. So yeah, I like that on the last line. I used to just go, I like going to the third instead. Gives it more, a little bit of a country classic feel. So let's do it one more time. So that's the verses. And in this song, there's key changes. A lot of these old country songs, you do key changes. We're not going to. We're going to stay in the same key for the whole song. Now the verse, or not the verse, the chorus. Chorus is exactly the same chords. That doesn't change, right? We're playing the exact same chords. But the melody line does change a little bit. Okay? So starting D again, but this time we're going to start on the second. So D add 2. So a lot of those parts are the same as the chorus, or the verse, sorry. But it's mainly the D. The D's are different. The A stays the same. The G stays the same. Everything you do in those notes. It's just the D's are different. Let's do it again. You could make the argument just to do it the same way for the verse and the chorus, and it does actually work. But I just like doing a little something different, right? You want to skin straight. What the hell is that? You want them to be different, is what I'm saying. In my mind, all right? So let's do verse, chorus all together. Just nice, well, the song is slow to start with, but we'll do it nice and slow. Let's end it with a big finish again, right? Why not? That's how we started it. You know what I need? I need one of those selfie controllers so I don't have to reach and turn off the camera from the back all the time. My next Amazon shipment. That's it. 7 Spanish Angels. That's a great song. I remember hearing that one when I was a kid, and even as a kid when I wasn't so much into country, that song kind of stuck with me ever since. I remember listening to it at my Aunt Susie's place. For some reason it was playing there. It's so strange how some songs you remember the first time you heard them. I can say that for that one. Shook Me All Night Long, AC/DC, I remember the first time I heard that. Born in the USA, I remember the first time I heard that. Certain songs that just hit you, right? Anyways, that's it. Practice patience, have fun, and now I do this so I can turn the camera off. We'll see you guys next time.